I'm not sure what that is. If somebody knows what that means, please tell me in the comments, alright? Hey guys, Abners Reviews here. Back with another unboxing, and today we are presenting to you the Intex Puff and Play Inflatable Bath Toy. And this is the tropical fish. Okay, so as you can see, this is an inflatable toy from Intex. Right there. There's the branding. And this is 24 centimeters by 24 centimeters or 9.5 inches by 9.5 inches. So this would be perfect for your child age 2 or 3 years old. So they can play with this on their bath time, or if they are currently playing on the pool. So I think there's a hazard warning there. I'm not sure what that is. If somebody knows what that means, please tell me in the comments, alright? There are representations of the product in different languages at the back. And that's it. So let's unbox this thing. So yep, that's definitely a fish.
Wow!
These are the fins, the tail, on the back side, same, fins, tail, fins. So that's where we inflate it, right there. So what are we waiting for? Let's inflate it. There goes our fish, guys. So this is the Intex Puff and Play Inflatable Bath Toy, the tropical fish. So that looks good, right? With this smiling face right there. And the fins. Your kid would definitely love this one. So there you go, guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links. So that's been it. This is Abner's Reviews, and I will catch you guys on the next one.